Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been some time since I've done an unboxing video, but this one is actually one that I'm very excited to do and one that I thought I would do a long time ago, but I guess I just didn't get around to it. So today I'm going to be unboxing my luxury candles, the Marco & Co candles that I created last year and we launched last year. And I really thought I would do an unboxing some time ago, but I just never got around to it. But today is the day. So let's do it. So I'm really excited to show you this beautiful packaging that we have for Marco & Co. So when you order one of our candles, or if you order the collection of our candles, it comes in this gorgeous box. And I know it just looks like a black box, but I gotta tell you, this box took months to perfect. Just getting this foiling right took a long time, getting the beautiful black matte finish. So yeah, I'm really happy. And then when you open it, it was important to me to have a really beautiful unboxing experience. I really feel like that is a big thing with luxury purchases. It's all about that experience when you get something delivered or whether you give something as a gift. The unboxing experience is all part of the fun. So I wanted to take a long time to perfect this, and I'm really proud of the finished product. So when you first open the box, you open it up. I love that sound. And the first thing you will see is this gorgeous artwork. And our in-house designer actually designed this. And it's actually a illustration of Marco, my beautiful horse, because the whole line of these candles has been inspired by my horse Marco. So hence why the company name is called Marco & Co. And he literally had a photo of Marco and had this beautiful, it was one of my favorite photos of Marco. And I said, I'd love you to do an illustration of that. And I said, I'd love it if you could just do it in one stroke. So it just felt very elegant and effortless. And this is what he came up with. It's so beautiful. It's so perfect. In fact, for my birthday, the team blew this up in a massive big poster for me and had it framed. And I just think this is absolutely stunning. And then when you turn over, you have a little letter from me. And I just think that's a nice little personal touch. And obviously this is a brand that's very close to my heart. And yeah, I get a little bit emotional talking about this. It's like my first little baby. So that is that when you open it. And then when you get into the box, this is how the candles are presented. So if you've purchased one candle, you'll just have one candle in the middle. But most people buy two candles. They buy them as a set. So this is how they come. And you can see, you know, just the beautiful detail that you have. The tissue paper with the Marco & Co logo. You have the beautiful gold sticker. I mean, if I was to get this as a gift, I think it would be so beautiful. I think it's one of the best unboxing experience on the kind of market at the moment, but I'm completely biased. So let's get into it. So this is the mountain trail ride candle. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful tissue paper with the gold foiling and the embossed logo there. So I don't know if you can see this logo here, but that is a horseshoe. And also I love the design of it because when you turn it to the side, it looks like a C, and my last name is Ceberano. So I really like that touch as well. So this is what the packaging of the candle looks like. I love this color green so much. I think it's one of my favorite colors. Very chic. I love the green with the gold. So this is the mountain trail ride candle, and then you open it and this is what the gorgeous candle looks like. So oh, it's so great. This is probably, I don't want to say it's my favorite candle because I can't really have a favorite. They're all my favorites. I created these scents really just to enjoy all of them depending on what mood I'm in. But I tend to light this candle a lot, and I tend to light it a lot at work. It's very fresh. It's very fragrant. It smells like pine. It smells like a forest, and it's exactly the scent that I smell when I go on a trail ride with my gorgeous horse Marco. So I wanted to bottle this scent up so I could experience this smell and the fragrance when I'm back in the city, or I'm in the office, or I'm at home and I'm away from the country. I also love to travel with this candle as well, something very calming about it. So that's what the candle looks like. It's gorgeous. Oh, so great. And I want to say all of our candles too are soy based, and there's no nasties, there's no toxins in them at all. The wicks are all cotton. And also the great thing I think about this packaging too is that you can reuse it. And that's what I've been loving seeing on a lot of people's Instagram accounts, that they might use this for, you know, makeup brushes, or they'll reuse it and use it for holding coins or something like that. But we did want to create a box that could be reused. So this is Mountain Trail Ride. I might just quickly show you the other ones as well. So this one we have In the Stables. Now In the Stables is, oh, this is such a beautiful, warm, woody scent. It reminds me of being in the stables with my horse, and think of hay bags, think of beautiful cedar wood, the shavings that we have in the stable. So it's very woody. It's gorgeous. It's very, it still smells fresh, I want to say, but it's still got that beautiful, warming, woody scent to it as well. This is one of Phil's favorite ones, actually. So yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. I love all of them. Okay, so there we have In the Stables and Mountain Trail Ride. It's almost like this tissue paper is too perfect that I just have to put it back nicely. Okay, so there's 2 scents in our range. We have 4 scents in the Marco & Co range, and the other 2, again, beautiful box. The other 2, we have our Ocean Ride candle. This is a gorgeous color too. I love the blue. It's like a denim blue. It took a long time actually to get all these colors right. It probably took, I want to say, like 6 months to get all this branding and the packaging right, because there is a lot of back and forward. And that's the thing with this business, is that it's been a real learning curve. You know, you see something beautiful in a luxury store and you just think, wow, that's gorgeous, but you don't actually comprehend how much time goes into the packaging and the thoughtful elements of the packaging as well. So this is Ocean Ride Candle. This is probably our most feminine scent in the range. It's very fresh. It smells like the ocean. I can smell sea salt. There's gardenia in there as well. It smells like a little bit like fresh linen on a Sunday. I don't know why I always have to say that. When people say, what does Ocean Ride smell like? I always say it smells like fresh linen on a Sunday. It's just very fresh. Yeah, and this was inspired by when I used to go cantering with Marco on the beach, and just that beautiful fresh fragrance of, you know, the ocean air, the sea salt, the gardenias, gorgeous. So this is definitely our most feminine scent in the range, and it's been really popular. I'm trying to think of what the most popular scent has been. They've all had different kind of levels of popularity. I kind of think it depends on the weather and it depends on the season, but this candle sold very, very well for summer. So yeah, definitely a great scent for the summer months. And then the final scent in this collection, and we are going to be releasing different collections throughout the year. This is always going to be our premium collection that we'll always have, and then we might introduce seasonal collections as well. So I'm working on our first seasonal collection at the moment, and that will be out in the next couple of months, and the seasonal ones will just be for a season, and when they sell out, that will be it. But these particular candles, so these 4, will always remain in the collection. This is Phil's favorite candle. So this is the Western Saddle scent, and Phil loves everything about Western equestrian riding. He loves the Western saddles. He loves the whole lifestyle of it. So I would say this is the most masculine scent in our range. This would be a perfect gift for the gentleman in your life. And it's, I mean, a lot of women love this as well. It's very smoky. It's very distinguished. It has, I guess, the notes, leather comes through really strong. So if you like the smell of leather, this is a great candle. Leather, it's got a touch of vanilla in there as well. It just smells like a very handsome man to me. I love this scent. Phil actually burns this a lot. He's got it in his studio. We burn this in the office a lot. This is an office favorite, definitely, but it kind of depends on the weather. Again, like I love every scent, but it just depends. Like this is a fantastic winter scent. I would say In Stables is also a really beautiful fall scent. And then we've got Mountain Trail Ride, the green one. I would say that's a perfect spring scent. And then you've got Ocean Ride, which I think is a beautiful summer scent. So I like every little part of the detail of these candles. We really spent a lot of time to get it right. If I was going to release a luxury candle range, I wanted to make sure that they were beautiful and premium. Even just getting this foiling here, the gold foiling, that took a really, really long time to perfect. You just have no idea how much goes into it, but I'm really happy with the end result. And we get a lot of feedback from our customers saying how much they really do appreciate the quality and the thoughtfulness that we've taken in the packaging, because a lot of people do buy these for gifts, or you can buy it as a gift for yourself, and we always package up everything like this. So if you ever do order it, it is a really nice kind of self-care gift, I think, that you can give to yourself. So there you have it. That is my Marco & Co candle unboxing and a little scent description. If you've got any questions at all about these candles, please just leave a comment below. I would love to chat with you about this. Obviously, this is a brand and a business that is very close to my heart. It's kind of my side hustle, I guess. But I've got really big aspirations and hopes for this brand, and I can't wait to share more with you soon. As I said, we will have a seasonal collection coming up in the next couple of months, which I'm really excited about, actually. And that collection is going to be very feminine, very girly. There's 3 scents in that collection, and it has been inspired by my other horse, Millie, who is Marco's girlfriend, and they have this ridiculous love affair happening. You cannot separate them. And so it's going to be the romance collection. So that will be the next seasonal collection that we launch. But for now, it's all about the premium luxury core collection, which is these candles that I've shown you today. And I hope you love them as much as I do. Please leave a message below, leave a comment if you've got any questions. Would love to hear from you. And I'll speak to you soon. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.